Hi everyone, I'm here today to share a quick DIY of how to make these pretty paper flowers. First, take some crepe paper, which I will link below, and fold them up like this, like a fan, like back and forth, and then cut it so that you have a individual piece so that you can trace using one of these glass jars, yogurt jars that I have. Next, cut out the circles and repeat until you have about 24 or so of these circles. We will take these circles and fold them in half like this, and then we will spread them out and lay them carefully across the same jar that we traced. We're going to hot glue a portion of it so that they overlap each other, and then press down tightly so that they stick. Be careful, it is very hot. We will continue this again with putting hot glue on portion of the petals and then add another petal on top of that and glue together. And we will repeat this process until we have all of it covered. Again, this is very hot, so be careful. Once you get all the way around, this completes the base portion. Press tightly and then add hot glue to a big portion on top of this base layer so that you can put a new petal and glue it all the way down. Repeat the gluing step where you lay down enough hot glue for each petal that you put on top and go around and around. You will notice that at one point the petals will cover almost all of the middle portion, and that is when you know you are almost done. It is up to you how much of the middle you want to cover. Once you know you're done, you can add hot glue all the way across the circles of the jar so that all of the petals will have hot glue on it, and then lay down a final circle to cover the glue. This tapping motion helps prevent you burning your fingers, so tap lightly and don't touch the hot glue. Let it sit for a little bit so the glue isn't as hot, then pick it up and turn it over, and you can see you're almost done. Fluff out the petals with your fingers so that it looks more natural and like a real flower. Ta-da! Super easy. Pick different crepe paper colors and repeat to make different colored flowers. You can also experiment with different jar sizes as well. A final touch for those who are not sensitive to smells is to add in a rose flower or floral perfume. Spray a little bit on top before giving it to somebody to make the illusion of it being more like a flower. Happy crafting!